Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the product from LiTHELi. This is a handheld vacuum, which I thought is quite cool and I wanted to show it to you. So, LiTHEvac cordless handheld vacuum from LiTHELi, and it looks like this. You'll see it's actually quite small. The engine is brushless. It says it has straight airflow. What else does it say? One touch dumping and double filtering. So let's take it out of the box. It comes really well boxed. I think of nothing else in there. It's just for protection. So yeah, let's see. So you get the instructions. You get an additional filter. You get the battery and a USB A to C for charging the battery. And I really like the battery can be used as a power bank as well. So that's on the back. It's a 4000 milliamp battery, power delivery 18 watts, and it has input and output on this, maybe, unless it's the output from that one on the back. So actually it says input type C, so that in output type C as well, yeah. And you also have USB A for output, so you can charge through here or through there. It doesn't have that much capacity, but I'm still surprised and impressed. So you have also one of this, so you could attach it and helps you cleaning your desk better. Let's see how you put it on. That's a bit, we'll see when we take it out. So let's just, I like that it has also this carrying sleeve, and also has a LAN kind of, yeah, whatever you want to call that, already installed. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Rated power 100 watts, 4 volts max. Clean the HEPA filter element when the indicator, so when you get the light in there, you know you have to clear this filter. So let's just plug this in. As you can see, it has 3 pins inside, so you have to align it with your pins from here. So it goes like that, one way, and it clicks in position and it stays there. Yeah, so then if you install this accessory, it goes like that. Very nice and modern look. The only thing is, so it's either this like that, or you just put this other one. Sorry, I've accidentally turned it on while trying to remove this accessory. So then you can put the little brush. Very useful if you stay in bed, you eat in bed, or you during a movie, you drop something on the sofa, just use this. So it has 2 modes of power. Let me show you on my screen. That's on the lowest mode. A lot of sucking power from such a little device. Yeah, I mean, I love it. It's so small, and I haven't used it yet because I wanted to review it. So from now I can finally use it. Every time I drop something in my bed, I'll use this tiny fella. It doesn't have much storage in here, but it's enough for a few things that you drop in bed. It also has this cover, so whatever it's in here, you won't drop back out. So that's the storage area. That's why you have to clean it. And when you clean it, I think you just let me see. I think I've seen you rotate this bit. Yeah, so you see it's locked and unlocked, so you just rotate it and then you take it out like that. Make sure nothing goes in there. That's where the engine is. Yeah, and then you just let me put it in here, I won't drop it. So then you drop this out and you clear the container, put it back in, and then you just look for this symbol, and then you just rotate it in place until it snaps, and then you're good to go. So yeah guys, it's so powerful. And you can see you have a battery indicator in there, and then when you remove it, you just drag it out like that, and that's it. Listen, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's also inexpensive. It's brilliant for having it in your car or you know, handy at home. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe and comment.